In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create QR codes for your Shopify products in our 2025 guide. Let's jump right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, your journey begins. Head over to My Store and look for the option to customize your theme, which is generally labeled as Customize Horizon. This is where you'll have access to all the features you need to create QR codes for your products. Once you're in the dashboard, go ahead and click on Apps. The Apps section within Shopify is your gateway to a variety of integrations and tools designed to enhance your store's capabilities. It's important to know your way around here, as it will open up new possibilities for managing your store more effectively. Now, in the search bar, type in Shopcodes. Shopcodes is a Shopify app specifically designed for generating QR codes, making it easier for customers to engage with your products directly from their mobile devices. Installing this app is the next step. Find it, click to install, and follow any necessary prompts to ensure it's integrated into your store. Installing Shopcodes will enable you to manage QR codes seamlessly and is a simple but crucial step in this process. Once installed, open the Shopcodes app. You should now see options within the app specifically for creating and managing QR codes. Click on Create Shopcodes. This will take you to a new interface where you can begin customizing the QR codes according to your needs. Here you'll be prompted to give a title for your codes. This title should be descriptive enough to understand what products or promotions your QR code is linked to. It's a good practice to keep your naming consistent, especially if you create multiple codes, as this helps in tracking and managing them later. Next, you need to select the product for which you want to create a QR code. Simply browse through your products and pick the one you wish to link with the QR code. Selecting the right product is key, as each QR code is tailored to direct customers to a specific product page or promotional offer. After selecting your product, you'll need to choose the destination. This could be the product page, a discount page, or any specific link you want the QR code to navigate to. Be clear and strategic in your choice to make the most of this feature. Once everything is in place, proceed by clicking Save. This step finalizes the process and creates a downloadable QR code that you can use on your marketing materials, packaging, or anywhere else you wish to direct customer traffic efficiently. And there you have it, a QR code ready to enhance your customer shopping experience. So, that's it. We've walked through creating QR codes for your Shopify products, making it easier for your customers to access your store with just a scan. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!